Hello guys, how are you? I am fine and hope you are also fine there. Welcome to my channel English with Mukesh. Now I am going to discuss about aeroplane. Yes, everybody listens about aeroplane. Aeroplane is the means of fastest traveling. It is very useful for traveling and it is nowadays men can fly like a birds causes of a plane. So plane means I have to understood this is the type of traveling, and if you want to go one place to another place that times, and if you want to go fast so you can go easily. It is the fastest traveling. Yes, got it. And plane, it is invented by American brothers 1903, and plane have a uh, two wings, three wheels. Wheels, it is helpful for the land. Yes, means when plane landing, that times use of wheels. At least they slow down, and the plane have a propeller which moves fast. Yes, and there are many advantages of plane. If you uh, want to uh, business and trades, so you can send things easily by plane fast. Yes, and when it is natural calamities come in our country and other country, so that times use of plane drop to the clothes, foods, medicine. It is very important that times. Yes, and if any patient they have emergency, so that times it is used of plane, and patient life is safe. Yes, it is very advantage of plane at this time, and it is expensive, but it is very necessary for the human lives. And where is landlocked, where is mountain, so there is not road construction, so that times plane you can use and you go to one place to another place. So it is very helpful for human, and there are many disadvantages also. It is very expensive, and when means war in one country to other country, the drop to bomb, so many many peoples and animals killed and other things. It is very uh, school, college, building, hospitals are destroyed when uh, attack to one country to other country. That times use of bomb. So there are many disadvantages of aeroplane and other things. When plane crashes, crore rupees are wasted. So that's all about plane, and hope this video helpful for you and you get knowledge, advantage, disadvantage of plane. So I would like to say bye bye, have a nice day. I will visit next video. Thank you, have a nice day.